everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install XAMPP Server on your Windows PC. You may be asking, what is XAMPP? XAMPP is an acronym where X stands for cross-platform, A stands for Apache, M stands for MySQL, P stands for PHP, and the other P stands for Perl. So XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform that allows developers to create and test their programs on local web server. Now, when we say that XAMPP is cross-platform, what do we mean by that? Now, cross-platform means that you can install and use XAMPP on several operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac operating system. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and start installing XAMPP on our Windows operating system. In order to start doing that, let's go to our web browser and type XAMPP. Now we are going to click on the first link that says apachefriends.org. Click on the first link. Now it's going to take you to their web page. So you go scroll down and click on XAMPP for Windows. If you're using Linux or Mac, this is your option, but we are installing on Windows, so we have to click on this. Now it says your download will start automatically if it doesn't click here. So our download has already started and we have to wait for it to complete its installation. Then we can continue from there. As you can see, our download has been completed successfully. So the next step is to start our installation process. So click on this button that says show all to view all your downloads, and then click on show in folder. As you can see, this is our XAMPP that we just installed, and this, you click on this that says show in folder. Now double click. Now we are going to see this warning sign, so please don't worry about this warning sign, just click on OK, and then our wizard is up, so we can click on this next button, and then make sure all these components are selected because they are very important, although they are used for different purposes. So we don't know which one we'll be using in the future, so we have to check all of them and then go to this button that says next. Now we are going to select our installation folder, and mine is in the C drive. Okay, if you want to change yours, just click here and then change your folder, but I like to keep mine in the C drive. So click on next. Now you go down here, you're going to select your English, your language. I select English and I click next. Now no, I don't want to learn more about Bitman for XAMPP. I'll uncheck that and click on next. Now they said that our setup is ready to begin installation, so click on next to start the installation. So our installation has started, and then we can wait for it to complete the installation, and it's going to take a couple of minutes, let's say like 2 to 5 minutes for it to complete its installation. So our installation has been completed. So it says, do you want to start the control panel now? Of course, we have to check this, make sure this is checked, then click on finish. And now you can see our control panel, our XAMPP control panel. Now we have our Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury and Tomcat models, and the ones we'll be using in future, we might be creating a website, so on our local server. So we are going to make use of these two. Okay, so click on this start action to know if it's actually working. As you can see, it's showing the green button, which means it's functioning properly. And here it says attempting to start Apache, status change rejected, which is what, running. So it's working properly. And then this is the port that is working on. And then we have to start my SQL. As you can see, my SQL running, which is working properly, and it's in the port 3306. Now FileZilla, of course FileZilla is working, and it's in this port number. As you can see, running, FileZilla running. Now let's check Mercury. Of course Mercury is running. Now it has given us that, told us that our firewall has blocked some features in this app. So I'm going to allow it on my private network. You can equally allow it on your public network, but I'm going to uncheck this and then click on allow access. Now as you can see, Mercury is running, so which is very nice. Okay, and it's in this port. Okay, now Tomcat is not going to run because I don't have Java JDK installed on my system. So let's check that. Yeah, as you can see, it says Tomcat started and stopped with errors. Return code 1. Make sure you have Java JDK or JRE installed and the required ports are free. So check the blah 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 folder for more information. So as I said, I don't have Java JDK installed on my system, but there's no need to worry, because when you want to create anything that has Java JDK, you cannot install Java JDK and then start this action. So everything looks good. So that is how you can install your XAMPP on your Windows PC. Okay, so that's all for now. And if you want to stop it, just click on the stop action to stop the process. Okay, and as you can see, it's showing the status that it has stopped. Okay, so then we can now close this. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it has been helpful to you, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.